Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, traction control, tow hitch, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, automatic headlights, AC, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.